Hi, nice to see everybody again. My name is Christopher Joyce, and I'm always here to answer all the questions that you have about the entire line of Scrub Daddy products. Today, I'm here with my buddy Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy, and we're sitting here in the beautiful Scrub Daddy Zen Garden. Namaste. And today, I'm the pro with the know to make all your surfaces glow, because we were just talking about Power Paste, and Power Paste is one of the brand new products in the Scrub Daddy line. What is Power Paste and how do you use it? Well, let me start by showing you what it is. It is a lemon-scented clay-based product that comes with a dye-free Scrub Mommy. I know you're happy about that. It's perfect to use on all your surfaces, both outside and inside. Your granite surfaces, your pots, your pans, your outdoor furniture, you name it, it's gonna take care of it. Now, to avoid accidental damage, please be sure to test in a small, inconspicuous area first. How do you use Power Paste? Well, you can use any Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy, but we're giving you a dye-free Scrub Mommy with the Power Paste. So what you do is you put the Scrub Daddy or Scrub Mommy in warm water, put your fingers in the eye holes, and then you're gonna pull up by swirling it in the Power Paste, picking up the slightest amount of the Power Paste, and then you're squeezing the Scrub Mommy or the Scrub Daddy to create a foam. And that's gonna allow you to clean and scrub all around the house, both indoors and outdoors. Well, we hope this segment answered some of your questions about the Power Paste product. But now we have a question for you. Where's your favorite place to use Power Paste? Put your answers in the comments. The favorite place I like to use the Power Paste is on the oven door. Self-cleaning oven does a great job, but often there's dirt left behind on that window, and Power Paste takes care of it for me. Also, if you have any other questions, put them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to answer them in the future. Well, bye for now, and happy cleaning.